Hello guys, welcome to Hair All Together. Today we're gonna learn how to braid, and when you braid yourself, you save a lot of money.
Okay, now let me explain in real time. So there I've finished to section my part. It's just a 3-part section. Then I hold the hair, the real hair. I hold it all together in my hands. Yeah, there I'm parting. I'm still parting. Yeah, this is the real time for the visual. For those who learn visually, I think this will explain to you what I'm exactly doing. Then I hold my braid. I hold the braiding hair, put it on top. You see, I turn my hands right and left. Then I place my middle finger so that I secure that braid in the middle. I turn right and left. I keep on turning my fingers until the braid is secure. So I pass through my hand so that it doesn't hold together at the ends. So I continue braiding down, just switching your hands right to left for those who are seeing what I'm doing. I put away all the excess hair which you can hold when you're braiding. I continue braiding down the braid. So when you reach a comfortable position, that's when you change hands, because really the arms can be really so painful in this process. So it needs a lot of practice to do it, but trust me, if you master it, you'll save a lot of money. So there I switched hands to a comfortable position. Yeah, you can see this side I'm using the left hand. I showed you how I did the other side. So this side I'm doing this side. So any position you feel comfortable. So that's how my hands are comfortable right now. So I change my hands to the comfortable position. Yeah, then you continue braiding down. Right now I'm doing halfway, because I can finish the rest of the braid anytime when I'm watching TV or doing something. So right now I just fixing. Just to know, you need a mirror. You need like a mirror to see your back. You can see I have a mirror. I have a mirror in front of me, then at the back, so that I can see the back end. So yeah, basically that's what you do. So that's the other section. I keep on doing the same thing. Section a bit, hold the braiding hair, place it on top. Yes, switch your hands right to left until the braid is secure. Then you keep on switching your fingers so that you braid down. When you reach a comfortable position, you can switch your hands to a comfortable position. There I'm sectioning out my natural hair so that it can be evenly distributed, because I'd held a big chunk at once. Yeah, so there you braid down until everything is secure. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about the things you need. Oh, I did this hair for 2 days actually. So this was the second day. I did the first half in the first day. So this was the second day when I was finishing up the second part. So when you plan to braid yourself, you really need a lot of time. Money, especially those people who are in places which you cannot easily access salon services. Yeah, so that's how I'm braiding down the braid. You keep on braiding until the braid is down and secure. Yeah, another products you need, the hair extension color I used was 30. It was expressions. I don't recall the length. I think it was 42. Yeah, 42 30 expression braids. And I used also shine agent hold me hold because I had kinky hair, and to be able to tuck in the kinky hair. So after all the braids, so there I'm continuing braiding. Yeah, you continue actually with the same process over and over again. So there I was taking a break because I needed to eat something. Yeah, I think it was already lunchtime. Yeah, I took a break I held the hair together, but I think you can see so far so good. Yeah, just a little bit remaining, so I continued after the break. So as I held my hair for some time, sat down, watched TV as I finished up the other part, that remaining part you see down there is not fully complete. Yeah, so I did that during my free time. So there I am when I'm done. Yeah, you get a scissors and cut off the flyaways, because yes, in most cases the braids are not so well and you need some flyaways to cut off. Yeah, so that's when I'm done. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it came out. Yeah, when I'm done. So after a week I decided to put some curls at the end. Yeah, that's the ones you've seen at the beginning of this video.
So that's all for today. Hope you learned something in this tutorial. Comment below for questions or if you would like to learn something about hair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.